When you get an airplane and you start out, you dream of flying this time machine over and through marine layers and out through California, just like we're above right now. Today, we're taking some buddies and we're running up from Orange County to Cal State Fullerton, and we're going to look around the town. But first, we've got to use this ungodly Garmin panel to cut our way through this marine layer and shoot another approach while we're out in California, dropping Frank Hill's old airplane off number 4 Foxtrot Hotel that's been around the world 3 times to get the big Dolly Parton tip tanks, 100 gallons of tip tank, back on there and put it through annual before we start planning our around the world trip over the next 18 months. Right along then, right along now, here we go through the marine layer.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, cross Canab at or above 3,900, cleared RNAV runway 29 approach.
Cross Canab at or above 3,900, cleared RNAV, we'll runway 29 approach, 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Here we go.
Alright, minimum of 700.
Yep, glide path VNAV arm, so it should just fly us all down.
Then I'll switch over to the flight plan right there. It doesn't give you the damn altitude on that one.
You think it was worth saving the money to get this smaller one?
I do.
Yeah.
That's really all I want, and then as a backup in case I have to go direct it wherever. But I do like enough space to have that up.
But I've got the charts here, so that's nice. Nav capture.
Alright, descent. Plan 6 miles. Altimeter is set. Cow flaps are closed. Power as required. Fixture as required.
We'll see if it does the porpoising on the way down. Yeah, it's going porpoise.
Let's see. Did you set it up for 500 or?
Yeah, it's like 6. It's 2-degree glide path.
Alright.
17 go Cape back, contact
Alright,
Santa Barbara.
and let's set our tower frequency up next.
Yes. I'm on it. 118.3.
24-0.
Uh-oh, whoa, what now?
24 nothing.
24-0?
Yep.
Alright, there's power. It's in there. I'll get ground up over here.
That's 21-6.
Good. Ground's up. I'm going to swap them.
Go. Direct past Robles.
Alright, she's tracking down to 39. $13 miles out. On their helmet.
Nothing.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, contact San Luis Tower 124.0, good day.
Contact target A, 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Alright, you're on tower.
Yeah, it's 39, so good. Tower Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, just over Cadab on RNAV 29.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, San Luis Tower, report Cavally.
We'll report Cavally, 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Alright, Cavally is...
Nice up intercept. Once it hunted for it, it's done pretty good about holding-ish about the vertical speed we need.
Alright, so we got to report H8 something DA.
Cavally.
Cavally, okay, the one in front of it. Must be the final approach fix.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm not sure if they've read or not. Presumably not. Ring just asked for us to call.
Okay.
Like a roller coaster.
I'm so used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It feels different in a small plane than it does a commercial flight.
Alright, I got contact with the ground.
Me too.
Both crates brief, seats are secure, we're on the fullest. Cow flaps as required, mixture full rich, props full forward. Airspeed below 145, gear handle down.
Oh, not yet.
I know, I'm just reading the checklist. I'm not telling you necessarily to do it. I got the ground. It's still, you're going to get these more clouds. Almost to your fix.
Foxtrot Hotel's over Capley.
Alright.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, runway 29er, cleared to land.
29, clear to land for Foxtrot Hotel.
Alright, 3 green, 3 green.
Agreed. No flaps.
206, enter.
Seatbelts are good, flaps are away, fuel cycle on the fullest tank, landing gear 3 green, verified, make sure props clear to land.
6, enter. Okay, I got ground on the main. Alright, all lights are on. Green, everybody's on the green there. And I got the airport in sight, imagine you do too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Paces are about 1900, although you can pick up the airport a little bit further back.
4 Foxtrot Hotel, I appreciate that, thank you.
That's your full left.
Alright. They're down.
We have to go around and speed straight ahead, left turn 4100.
Calling San Luis on the west side, was it November 734 Uniform Zulu?
Alright, I got one coming at us at 500 feet below us. So he must be on the ground.
Zulu, runway 29er. Taxi via Mike, hold short runway 29er on the compass rose.
Miles out. That guy's got to be
Helicopter 53 Charlie, traffic to Bonanza,
He's out.
2 mile final, 300 feet above you. Looking for traffic, helicopter 53 Charlie.
Alright. All good.
What about this guy?
Alright. Yeah, all damn near's off. On the go around, I got the flaps and the gear.
I'm good.
Traffic is in sight, helicopter 53 Charlie.
You can find that helicopter for
Helicopter 53 Charlie, number
Should
2
be
behind
off.
us.
He's like right here.
Near clear,
Come.
touch and go. Number 2 Bonanza, runway 29, clear, touch and go.
Oh, he's over there.
Okay. You got the field. I'm watching the traffic. 500, 400. $300. Dude. $80. $20. Good stuff.
As usual, I thank you for riding along here. We got a lot more approaches like this on our West Coast trip.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, you park.
We're working on the time machine. If you're ready to get out, you're ready to adventure, you're ready to buy a time machine, drop on over to the Rusty Pilot Deal Desk. Links in the description. I help people find planes every week that meets their mission. We help you get it to an annual and get it home. Drop on by. Until then, ride along. The other thing that's real important in any FBO is the snacks collection here. And, these guys run a really nice FBO everywhere we go. We try to use them. They're a little more expensive, but you can't put a value on service.